Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS icons. And right now, we'll be discussing about the Bootstrap icons. To use the Bootstrap icons, you will need to get to their website, which is getbootstrap.com. Anytime you need an icon from the Bootstrap, just use this link, getbootstrap.com. But to display the icon, you will need a CDN link, which you are going to put in your head section. So in the head section, you can find the CDN link from inside the bootstrapcdn.com, or you can check the cdn.jsdelivr.net. You can check the CDN link from these two links. So I'm going to show you how all this works together because I don't want to stay long on this. Back to our document. This is what we are having in our previous video where we discussed about the CSS 1000 icons. And right now, let's quickly remove anything concerning the CSS 1000 icons. And right now, we are going to use our Bootstrap icon. So to get an icon from the Bootstrap, we are going to copy this link right here. This getbootstrap.com is where we are heading to. Let's reload our document first. Now we don't have any icon yet, so let's get to the link, the getbootstrap.com. To use the getbootstrap.com, you are going to use this. When you search getbootstrap.com, so this is the page now. As you can see, the front page. This is the front page. But what you need is go to the navbar right here at the top. You're going to see docs, examples, icons, themes, blocks. These icons is the one you are going to click the icons. When you click the icons, then immediately you can check. It takes you to icons.getbootstrap.com, where you find all these kind of icons you need. Can you see we are having a lot of icons here? So I'm going to use one of the icons they are having right here, so we can do something nice with our document quickly. So I'm going to use this monster. When I'm using this monster, I'm going to, when you click the monster icon, you're going to see it's going to show you this kind of page. This page is now having this icon font. Inside here, you are seeing HTML tags, HTML symbols, and all that. So as you can see, we are having this HTML I tag, and also we are having this class attribute along with the icons class name. Now let's copy all this because this is what we need. When I copy it finish, I'm going to paste it in my document. Let me paste it immediately inside this h1 tag right here. When I save my document, let's reload. Can you see it is not showing at all? It's supposed to display beside this h element, h text there, but it's not displaying. What remains now is another step. The second step is to get to the bootstrapcdn.com, just to get the CDN link. Now let's copy the bootstrapcdn.com and paste it here. Bootstrapcdn.com. Now see this is the bootstrapcdn.com. Inside this page is where we are coming now. Click this bootstrap, this CDN. As you can see at the top of this navbar, we are seeing font and some CDN, bootstrap icons CDN. So the bootstrap icon CDN is the one you are going to click and scroll down. When you scroll down, you are going to see this bootstrap icons. So just click on it. Definitely you have copied the link with that. So after copying the link, when you just click on it, you don't need to use anything again. Just click on it, it's going to automatically copy. Come to your document right here and create a link. Link it inside this href tag attribute. Paste the link there and save your document. Now the icon should display. Now let's reload. Can you see now our icon is displaying? So that's how we can use the CDN link to display the icon we copied so far from the Bootstrap also. So, and again, we can do another thing again. Let's say now we don't need this link again because it's the one that helps us to display our icons. So let's say we need icons again. You can just come to the get bootstrap again. Just come to the getbootstrap.com again. I'm purposely showing you guys like this so you guys can be able to remember these steps. Can you see when I press the getbootstrap.com, immediately it show me this. On this navbar is the one I'm going to click. I'm going to click at the top of this navbar, the place I'm having icons. So click the icons. When you click the icons, then it's going to show you more icons you can use. I'm going to use another icon now, so we can do. Let's just use this check circle. I'm going to come to this icon font and copy the HTML syntax here I'm seeing right here. So let's come back to our document. Inside our document, I can paste it anywhere. I'll paste it here now and save my document and reload. When I reload my document, can you see now we are having the checkbox? So this is how you can do a lot with this, and you can paste it. Even we can paste it at the right of this our p element right here. So, and just make sure that it's not you can paste it before or after it. Anyone after before our closing tag is where I'm pasting it now. Now let's reload our document. let's reload our document. Now can you see this thing is the icon is right after our ayofe. So that's how you can use the CDN to display the icon and get Bootstrap to get the Bootstrap icons. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. Don't you forget, if you need to get any icon from the Bootstrap, use the getbootstrap.com, and if you need to use the CDN link to display it, use the Bootstrap CDN.com, or you can use the CDN JS delivery deliver.net. Let me use that one also, so you guys can see this one also. Paste this in your document, cdn.jsdeliver.net. As you can see, it's now showing you .com. So when you scroll down like this, you are going to check a place where you can find a search box. So you can just search Bootstrap there. When you search Bootstrap, you are going to see it's going to display this Bootstrap or this Bootstrap icon. Just use this Bootstrap icon, click the Bootstrap icon and copy all this link. When you copy this, the same thing is going to occur. Your document is still going to look normal. So let's delete the first one and paste this one we just copied earlier. So and reload our document. Let's reload. Can you see no any problem with our document? But if you do by mistakenly copy the first one here, which is Bootstrap without the icons, well, let's click it now and demonstrate how it's works. Let's say we need this CSS link right here. Let's copy it and come back to our document now and paste this one inside our document. Let's reload our document. You're going to see how everything is scattered. Can you see it's scattered? But to use the right one, definitely you will need to use the normal one, which is this Bootstrap icons, and copy the CSS link right here. After the CDN link, you can now change this to the one we copied now and reload our document. When we reload, our icons comes back, and we can also use the normal one, which is from this Bootstrap CDN.com. also you can use it in another manner. Also you can just use this one also, and just come to this place at the top nav bar here, Bootstrap icon CDN. You can just come down here, copy it like this, copy the code right here, or click this drop down arrow. When you click the drop down arrow, copy this thing completely, because it's going to copy all this with link. We don't need to write the link again. Just delete this one and paste the one we copied now. Let's just paste the one we copied now and save our document. Can you see how long it is? So when we save our document now and reload our document, everything is still going to work nicely. So this is what I have to show you for now. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Please practice, because practice makes perfect.